To achieve successful weight loss, it's essential to understand and adopt these 8 habits. They focus on prevention rather than relying solely on willpower. Start with the most important habits that resonate with you and gradually incorporate the rest of them. Number 1 is to prioritize proper sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, and you need to create a sleep opportunity of around 8 to 9 hours. Next is to stay hydrated. So drink enough water daily, using a large water container as a practical guide for you. Next is to practice relaxation. Dedicate a few minutes to relax and connect with your body, reducing stress and supporting healthy eating. Breathe properly. Learn deep breathing techniques to calm your body and mind. Include high quality nutrition from protein and whole foods in your diet to satisfy micronutrient needs. Move your body more. So engage in regular physical activities like walking or dancing to combat sedentary behavior. Meditate. Spend a few minutes in mindful meditation to enhance self-awareness and to promote calmness. Cultivate gratitude. So appreciate what you have, which positively impacts your weight loss journey. By adopting these habits, you'll transform from the inside out, making weight loss much easier and achieving long-term success. Follow for more help with your weight loss.